Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back here once again with a brand new video and a very special and a very exciting one, guys, to say the least. And that is because we finally have the DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo unboxing. That's right, guys. In today's video we're going to be sharing with you the unboxing of the DJI Air 2S. Today's video is going to be extremely exciting and you don't want to miss it. And as well, we're going to be giving you the price for both the standalone version and for the Fly More combo, as well as the release date for this drone. So guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. But before we do so, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we will always be the first ones to bring you the latest drone news no matter what. So if you want to be the first one to hear what's going on in the drone world, you will hear it here first. So subscribe so you don't miss out on those news. And also, we have gotten to our first goal, which was 5,000 subscribers. So a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed to the channel so far. But our second goal is 10,000 subscribers. So I invite you today, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family so that you can help us get to that 10,000 subscriber goal, which we're really not that far away from, guys. So we can do it together. So I invite you to subscribe to the Drone Emotion family, guys. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be very exciting. Well, we have known that the DJI Air 2S has been leaked. We have talked about all of the specs, pictures and everything, but today we finally have the full unboxing video thanks to a channel on YouTube by the name of Caught by Lens. I'm going to leave their link in the description down below if you want to check them out, guys. But thanks to them, we have this great unboxing of the drone. Now, before we get started with the drone, I want to talk about the pricing and the availability of the DJI Air 2S. The Air 2S will be available starting April the 15th of 2021. And let's talk about pricing, guys. How much will the price for this drone be? Now, if you decide to go for the standalone version, which only includes the drone, one controller, one battery, and your standard charger, you're going to be paying $999 or $1,000 here in the United States. Or if you decide to go for the Fly More combo, which includes 3 total batteries, your carrying case, and the filters, and all those nice things we're going to go into detail and see in just a second, we're going to be paying $1,299 or basically $1,300. So that will be the price for the Fly More combo, which will be the one we're going to be unboxing in just 1 second. So those are the prices for the DJI Air 2S standard version and Fly More combo. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into the unboxing of the DJI Air 2S Fly More combo right here on screen, guys. Okay guys, so here we have the DJI Air 2S Fly More combo. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. So there's our carrying case that is exactly the same as what we got with the previous Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. There we have our instructions and some accessories in that cardboard box. So let's go ahead and open the carrying case and see what's inside. There we have the DJI Air 2S in its flesh, pretty similar looking to the original Mavic Air 2. And let's go ahead and talk about specs. We have 20 megapixel pictures, we have a weight of 595 grams, a flight time of 31 minutes, a bit less than the original Mavic Air 2, which was 34 minutes. We're able to shoot at 5.4K at 10 bit. We get a 1-inch sensor with this new drone. Here are all of our specs that we have talked in our previous video. Here we have all of our accessories, which are going to include our props and the filters and cables. So let's go ahead and take a first look at what we have inside. So here we have our ND filters. We get 4 different sets. We have 4, 18, 16, and 32. These are going to be very useful for long exposure photography. We have Apple and Android RC cables for our phone. We also get a USB-C cable to charge our controller and a total of 12 props. So in total, 3 different sets. Now let's go ahead and put them in the drone. We do see that they're a bit different. We now get an orange tip instead of a white tip with the previous Mavic Air 2 drone. So let's go ahead and see what we have. We have the collision avoidance sensors, which are located at the front at a 45-degree angle. We have sensors at the back, at the bottom with our LED light, which was previously founded on the Mavic Air 2. Pretty useful, guys. And we have our front sensors. So no side sensors. And let's go ahead and take a look at the controller. It's identical to the previous Mavic Air 2 controller. The only difference is that instead of having tripod mode, we now have cine mode, and the color of the 4 LED lights is green rather than white. We have our return to home, our power button, and pretty much it's the same thing, guys. So but with the difference that this new controller it has OcuSync 3.0, so this controller will not be compatible with the Mavic Air 2 or with the Mini 2 drone. So just wanted to tell you guys that so that you can be aware. So we're going to be mounting our phone. Same thing as the Air 2 and the Mini 2. I really like the design of this controller. It's pretty practical and useful and really nice feeling in your hand. We still don't have the Air 2S option in the DJI Fly app yet. That will be available on April the 15th. So here we have our case, pretty nice looking case. We're going to be able to fit pretty much everything inside the drone, 2 batteries, and our controller and all of our accessories are going to be able to fit inside of the carrying case. So it's really nice. So here's everything that's included with the combo: the drone, the controller, 3 batteries in total, our charger, our charging hub, an extra set of sticks, and a total of 12 props, and of course our carrying case. So there we have it, guys. There we have it. It looks phenomenal. I love this new drone, guys. It looks really good. We get a lot of accessories, pretty much the same stuff that we got with the previous DJI Mavic Air 2, but we get some nice new extra things. Some of the biggest key differences that I want to talk about are going to be the camera. We're going to be getting, instead of a half-inch sensor camera which shoots 48 megapixel pictures, we now have a 1-inch sensor camera which only shoots at 20 megapixels. Okay, now something that I want to mention is that on both drones we have a fixed aperture. We do not have an adjustable aperture on both of them. It's an f2.8. So if you're a professional photographer, I think this might be something that might concern you a bit, okay? But for 99% of the people out there, this will not be a pretty big issue. So something else, we do get OcuSync 3.0, which will give us a 12-kilometer range compared to the OcuSync 2.0 on the Mavic Air 2. Now the controller on both drones are pretty much identical. The only thing that changes is right here, guys, where it says tripod mode. Instead of saying tripod, it says cine mode. So that's basically the only difference. And also the LED lights right here, you can see they're white. On the new Air 2S they are green, just like what we find on the Mini 2, guys. So there we have it, guys. There's the unboxing of the DJI Air 2S, thanks to guys over at Caught by Lens. There we have it. I really like it. Pretty much the same drone, with the biggest key differences being the camera and those upward obstacle avoidance. And something I do want to point out before we leave is the flight time. We will be seeing a reduced flight time on this new Air 2S. It's going to be going from the original Mavic Air 2 had a 34-minute flight time, and we now only have a 31-minute flight time. So it will be reduced a bit. I just wanted to let you guys to be aware of this. On the real world, you will be getting somewhere around 17 to 20 minutes of flight time with the Air 2S. With the Mavic Air 2, I get around, I will say, 20 to 23 minutes, and that's an average of over 100 flights that I have performed with this drone. So definitely do expect to see a 3-minute flight time decrease moving over from the Mavic Air 2 over to the Air 2S, guys. So there is the unboxing of the DJI Air 2S. First thoughts, I love it. I think it's going to sell extremely well, and we're gonna keep you guys updated with the latest drone news here in the channel, guys. That's gonna wrap up today's videos. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion signing out.